Khilji dynasty. Clear? After slave, who rose to power? Khilji dynasty. So founder of Khilji dynasty name is Alauddin Khilji. Number of conquests raised by him and territories gained by him. He when Alauddin heard of the rebellion which was rose by the Mongols, he crushed the power of Mongols over there. Okay, so he was one of the he had a strong army and he paid attention toward it. Okay, number of work done by him under the work of Alauddin Khilji. The first main work which was done by the Alauddin Khilji is that is market regulation. Market regulation. Under the market regulation, he fixed the prices of each commodity which was available in the market. So for main work done by him, that he fixed the prices of all the commodity such as food, grain, sugar, anything whatever sold in the market. So he set up markets over there, and three main markets are there at Delhi. One market for food grain. Three were there. One is for food grain, second is for costly cloth, one food grain, second costly cloth, and the third one is for horses, slave and cattle. Horses, slave and cattle. So three markets were organized by him under the market regulation, and commodity of related to each market fixed by him, and if anyone is cheating, then strict punishment was given by the Alauddin Khilji. Number of spy was organized by him to check the control of market regulation. So if anyone one is did the cheating over there, then strict punishment were given by the Alauddin Khilji. So three markets were there. That is the main work. Second work is Deccan expedition. Deccan expedition. Under the Deccan expedition, one of his brave general, the name of that general is Malik Kafur. Malik Kafur, he paid for this slave Malik Kafur, number of dinars he gave, and after that he bought Malik Kafur in his empire, and he was one of the brave general. So he sent one expedition with the leader of Malik Kafur to Deccan side. Clear? So by this expedition, number of territory was submitted by him in his empire, in his Khilji dynasty. That is first one is Dwar Samudra. Then next one is Madurai Warangal. So these important territories were annexed by was one expedition sent by Malik Kafur over this Deccan territories, but over this territories Dwar Samudra, Madurai and Warangal, he did not annexed. Why he did not annex? Because that was in Deccan state and it was very difficult for him to control over it. So he just give them tribute. He said to the ruler of these areas to give tribute to the Alauddin Khilji. He set the tribute for him. Clear? So overlordship was accepted by the ruler of Alauddin Khilji related to this areas, which was annexed, which was captured by the Malik Kafur, not annexed. Clear? So next work, first is market regulation, then Deccan expedition which led by the Malik Kafur, one of the great general. Now the third work of Alauddin Khilji, major work of Alauddin Khilji, third one, that is measures against nobility. Measures against nobility. As he know that the nobles who were in his empire, he just create problem for Alauddin Khilji for his success. So he want to crush the powers of a noble. So to crush the power of nobles, he had to face series of rebellions from the nobles. So how he crushed the power under the measures. First measure took by him against the nobility was that nobles were not allowed to attend the festivals and marriage. Yeah, festivals, marriage and parties, all these things banned for the nobles. So that is the first step taken by the Alauddin Khilji against noble, that they were not allowed to celebrate festivals, attend parties, marriages, all these things banned. If they want to attend it, the permission of Alauddin Khilji was necessary. Next is wine and intoxicants banned. All these things also banned. They were not allowed to use wine or drugs. Okay, so that is also banned. Nobles were not allowed to take it. Clear? Then gambling were forbidden. So this thing also forbidden by the Alauddin Khilji to crush the powers of the nobles. Clear? So after that he established spy system organized by the Alauddin Khilji, just to check that nobles were doing all these things correctly or not. So to crush the powers of nobles, 4 main work done by him. First is they were not allowed to attend the festivals, marriage and parties. If anyone want to attend it, the permission of Alauddin Khilji was necessary. Then they were not allowed to use wine, intoxicant, drugs. Clear? Then gambling were also forbidden by him. Last, spy system was organized by him to check the control of the activities, to check the activities of nobles. So these 4 main work done by the Alauddin Khilji under the Khilji dynasty. Clear? Now next we will talk about the military reform. Military reform, that is a main work of which was done by him regarding the military. He organized the military. Khilji was the first ruler of Delhi who laid the foundation of a permanent standing army. Clear? Permanent standing army was organized by him. So standing army, permanent, was established by him. Number of spies were recruited by him. So under this two systems were adapted by him. One is Dag, another one is Chehra. Clear? Dag and Chehra, 2 policies adopted by him under the military reforms. So Dag, he just good quality branded horses were collected by him in his army by the Alauddin Khilji, and all branded horses were put one Dag on it, so that horses, good quality horses, were not mixed with the inferior quality of horses. So one system is adopted by him, that is Dag system, to brand the horses. That means to brand the horses. Next is Chehra. He also introduced a system of Chehra. Chehra means he give identity card to each soldier, so that they can recognize the person of a particular army. So identity card issued by him, that means system of Chehra introduced by him. Then Dag means branded horses. So these 2 systems introduced by him under the military system. This is a reform done by Alauddin Khilji in Khilji dynasty. Next is related to revenue reform. Military system clear, Dag and Chehra, important policies will come in your paper. Next is the revenue reform. Revenue reforms. Number of reforms done by him under the collection of revenue. So Khilji introduced a number of important measures to get maximum revenue from the area. So first he brought control over the direct control over the land. That's the first step taken by him, that he brought indirect control over land. Clear? So first is the direct control were done by him. Then he introduced the measuring the land and fixing the state share. Measuring the land and fixing state share. See, state share also fixed by him. means whatever the profit gained by from the land, that particular share of a state was fixed by him, and that share was given to by the farmer to the ruler. Clear? So brought in direct control over land. Second, measuring the land, land was measured, as well fixed the state share also introduced by him in his revenue reform. Clear? Next is he increased the land revenue. Land revenue also increased by him, means 1/3 to 1/2, 1/3 to 1/2. ठीक है, 1/2 given by his land share also increased by him. So these type of revenue reform introduced by him by Alauddin Khilji under the Khilji dynasty. Clear? So toward the end of his life he dominated by Malik Kafur, one of the general to whom he bowed by giving a number of dinars. So he is one of the commander. So after many introduced, the Khilji dynasty finally came to an end, and who was took over the charge, next dynasty which came to the power, that is Tughlaq dynasty.